Thanks to PCB TV for the wonderful opportunity organizing this kind of interesting talk. Power Energy Ghana exhibition is an expo that actually highlights the power, electrical and its allied segments in the sector, particularly the construction sector and the building sector and the industrial sector. So, it focuses on the key areas where the power and the electrical and this energy related activities, both in engineering solutions as well as product solutions come in place, and that are offered in the economy and the country. So, the reason why we bought this kind of an expo into Ghana is the welcoming of the Ghanaian market for new products, new ideas, and of course, just like any other African country or any other developing country in the world, Ghana also desires to progress as well as improve its power electrical landscape to help its industrial existing as well as new coming industries in the country, and also the growing and developing middle class and residential and commercial activities in the country. In fact, there is one more reason that we were doing other exhibitions in the country and we had to face a strong or a bit tight of power problem. The lights went off and we were in the middle of a conference. So, we were although in the mood that we will have to do a power show in the country based on the understanding of the market, but that actually highlighted to us that we should do a show, and we launched it the same day. Well, the exhibition started in 2022. It was quite a bit challenging for some obvious reasons, like compared to Africa, Ghana is a good market, but it's relatively smaller. So, that was a challenge, but the people are there who are actually looking forward to new ventures and venturable partnerships with other countries, not just conventionally the one or two countries whom they deal with. So, this has been something promising us to do the event, and over time we have seen that companies from different countries are coming in and participating in the event. From like when we started with the exhibition in 2022, we had merely some Indian companies and some other countries from Ghana. But over time in the second edition and even in this third edition of the event, we see that there are a number of companies participating, not only from India or even from Ghana, but from other countries including China, Turkey, even South Africa, Nigeria and others in the ECOWAS as well as in the European side. So, we feel that there is a good potential, and this edition again we are introducing or rather focusing on the lighting, smart home solutions and energy conservation sector as well. So, that it goes in alignment with the requirements of the country, because conventionally power and power solutions has been a usual talk everywhere, but now the talk or the focus is shifting towards energy conservation and energy storage and capacity building. So, we too are focusing on that side of the sector, so that more of companies in the lighting sector, the energy transmission, transformation and regeneration and storage and conservation, efficiency, like energy efficient technologies are being introduced in the show. So, we believe that with the time, as the time changes, the new requirements will also come in. So, with all those new changes, new time and new requirements, the new product lines will also be introduced in the event. See, we try to focus more on repeating our exhibitors, number one. Number two, we also try to go in line with the theme of the time of the particular event. For example, as I mentioned previously, our focus was also into power equipments, power lightings and power conservation. Now, this edition being the third edition, we are focusing more on energy efficiency, energy conservation and power backup solutions. So, these product line companies are also being focused and they are also participating in the event. Well, everybody who are directly and indirectly related to the sector are invited and targeted in the event. For example, if I say electrical contractors, building contractors, so where the electrical and power distribution, distributing companies or technology providers companies, consultancy companies, similarly the local industries in the second one, irrespective of whether they are electrical or non-electrical, all the local industries, manufacturing industries, hospitality sector industries, they are also part and invited of the event, so that they can understand, okay, this is the new product lines in the sector, because everybody is a key stakeholder and everybody has something to gain out of their participation in the event. For example, the lights for say, or the new solutions for the smart home solutions or smart HVAC system solutions, It is required for all the industries, it is required for all the residential, commercial or hospitality industry. So, there is no bar that this is particular or this is focused on a particular set of industry or a particular set of people. No, it is equally important for everyone. Okay, see, primarily we would say that yeah, the economic situation globally is not very encouraging at the moment, as you know that uh, especially in the aftermath of COVID, the cash crunch and the global recession, although it has a passive hit, it is globally affecting everywhere. Everybody, including the visitors or the ECOWAS region and the Ghana, and also equally the exporters and manufacturers in other part of the world as well, including our exhibitors countries. So, this has been a challenge or one of the major challenges, that getting the companies all the way from their own origin to this country is also a challenge, just like other organizations are facing. Secondly, the information aspect is something that we are facing, another challenge that the people need to understand. Yeah, this is a newly developing market, they have to come in, they have to invest both in terms of money and time. So, this is something, a challenge in terms of educational barrier that we are facing. Although we are doing our part, but everything does not go just in one day. It takes time with its development and its improvement and its to gain its strength. So, that has been happening. So, and we believe that over time these challenges will resolve by its own with consistent efforts. Well, we expect that more and more collaborative efforts, partnerships and venture outs will be happening between both the incoming exhibitors from other countries as well as the Ghanaian counterparts, which essentially include the Ghanaian exhibitors and companies exhibiting in the event, as well as those companies who are actually visiting the event as well. We have seen that people are actually looking at the profile of the companies exhibiting. So, we feel people will actually make it their way to the event to meet with the right set of target people, understanding their profile and product line, so that more of fruitful meetings happen in the show with better and more accurate clarity. We envision that it should expand to other sides of the electrical power sector as well. Like when we are doing this edition of the Expo, we could understand that yeah, not only just the solar or the conventional renewable energy, but it should focus on other bioenergy solutions as well, because that will actually add value to the country, to the exhibition and to the incoming people. Because for example, if I say the biogas sector or the bioenergy sector, people have started asking for that. Although conventionally, like the way it was happening in Ghana, sorry, in India and China and even in Europe, now institutional bioenergy requirements and institutional bioenergy projects are coming up in these countries. The same will start be getting demanded in Ghana, Nigeria zones as well in another 1-2 years to come now. So, actually our focus is to diversify or rather add those segments also into this exhibition, so that more of people can participate both in the current scenario of exhibit line plus also in those new lines as well. So, this Expo Power Energy Ghana 2024 Expo is happening at the International Conference Center Accra, AICC, opposite the Parliament in Castle Road from 6, 7 and 8 November next month. We warmly and gladly invite every single stakeholder directly and indirectly related to the sector, every industry, every person to this exhibition to meet and discuss new and potential business opportunities with Ghanaian as well as international manufacturers exhibiting in the event. We hope it would be a nice experience for everyone in exploring new product line, new business ventures, new opportunities and of course, new better plans for their existing ventures during the course of the meetings and new brainstormings during the event sessions. Along with that, we are also organizing a conference with the Ghana Electrical Contractors Association on energy conservation, new and smart home lighting solutions as well. So, we believe that this will actually value add towards both the electrical sector as well as for the construction sector in the country. We believe that it would be a good piece of information bite for everybody participating and coming through the exhibition. So, please do patronize, come to the event, enjoy the sessions, enjoy the information and let us not only do business, but also learn with time in this exhibition. Looking forward to host every one of you, and for any other information or queries, you please feel free to connect with us anytime. You can access to www.powerenergyghana.com, that is our website, and there is a pre-registration link given in for all attendees to pre-register themselves. prior to they come to the expo, so that they will even have access to the exhibitors list and profile prior they come to the event, so that they can understand who are their target audience, and they can plan their meetings during the show or during the visit. And number two, you can give us any call or a WhatsApp us to any of the lines I am giving now for any queries and any discussions. 053 177 4804, and you can also WhatsApp us at 027 770 0745. Thank you.